Hello everyone, this is our second video on AP Lang and getting you ready for the essay portion of the test. Today we're going to be looking at essay number 2, the rhetorical analysis essay. Just like before, you'll want to take notes as you watch this video and include those notes in your writer's notebook. Get ready! So let's begin by looking at what this essay is like. And very similar to the synthesis essay, you're really going to delve into why and how an argument is being constructed. So you're looking for how the author uses rhetorical strategies and why the author uses those rhetorical strategies to make the point that they are making. You're always going to start with a larger meaning, what the larger context of the text that you have in front of you is, and then come down into the smallest details. Hint, that's your BBR words you've been working on. The ultimate goal of this essay is to explain why the author chose the specific strategies that you're analyzing, what was the purpose, who was the audience, and what was the occasion. Which leads us to this very helpful acronym you'll hear us refer to all the time, particularly as you write this essay, and it's soapstone. Please take a moment and write down what you see here in your writer's notebook, and we urge you to write this down before you even begin the planning stages of your rhetorical analysis essay to make sure that you answer each one of these tasks. So first you want to examine who is the speaker. You want to look at the occasion for when and why the speech was given. You want to look at the audience. Who specifically is the speaker targeting with the speech or the letter or whatever type of text you have in front of you? What was the purpose? What are they trying to do or make the audience do for them? What's the subject? That's the basic gist of text you have in front of you. And then ultimately the tone. What type of tone is the author using? So here's soapstone in action. So if we think about the rhetorical triangle, which is the blue mark that you see in the middle, is encompassing everything involving ethos, pathos, and logos. So where the heck does soapstone fit in? Well, when we look at ethos, soaps is going to refer to the ethics of the text in front of you. It's going to give us our speaker, the occasion, the audience, and the purpose. And all of that feeds down into, from the ethos, down into the logos and pathos of the piece, the BBR that you're going to examine within the piece. And through that, you definitely need to detail the diction and the syntax specifically, but you also want to look at imagery and figurative language as well. All of those together create the subject, the summary, the gist of the text, and will allow you to build a rocking thesis. So the first order of business when you receive your prompt is to write down soapstone, and I would literally spell it out, S-O-A-P-S, and tone, and then fill in the gaps. Find the speaker, find the occasion, find the audience, and then spend the rest of your time looking and reading over the text with tone in mind. Because remember, with tone, you're looking at the diction, the syntax, and the figurative language within your text that you have. All of these will explain the influences of ethos, pathos, and logos to the tone of your text and will give you the ability to come up with an organization and structure that will definitely respond in a way that shows you are a master of rhetorical analysis. So here's the day to write your first analysis essay, and you want to know how to begin. The first thing you want to do, just like you did with the synthesis essay, is pull apart that prompt. Know what the context is of the question you're being asked to answer. And also remember, there's two parts. There's the explicit thing that they're asking you to answer, and also the implicit task that's hidden behind the meaning. Then identify soapstone as you read the text before you begin writing. Just a reminder to use those active reading strategies we've been working on. They really are your friend in this essay so that you can analyze and annotate quickly and get to the writing of the essay. That's it for the analysis essay introduction. We will work a lot on this in class, and we'll see you soon.